Yo, what's up everybody, it's your boy Daddy Easy here, just doing a fast video. It's not going to be that long. Currently is 4th of July weekend, so tomorrow's the 4th of July. You see what I got in front of me right here, the Switch 2. So let me try to rotate it back. I'm not home right now, so expect some things later on sometime this month. And yeah, so let's just get to this fast unboxing. I was able to snag this at GameStop today. They just had a restock. I wasn't trying to get the Mario version. I was literally trying to get the solo, but this is what they had, so I got it. So 29 of it. So you got the Switch right here. Got the Joy-Cons right here. We have the booklet inside with the cord, the thing for the remotes, for the Joy-Cons, HDMI cord. I do have my portable monitor with me because I do use my ROG Ally X. I know you guys probably ain't seen me for a month. Like I told you guys, I was moving. So just stay tuned for that because I got a lot of stuff with that inside the new house. So stay tuned for that. Got the power brick right here. Have the USB Type-C cord. We have the handle for the Joy-Cons right here, which I probably never use, or probably, I don't know, it all depends. And we have the dock right here. Right here. I'll probably plug this into my portable monitor and see how it is. The game is in here. I probably won't even use it because I didn't buy it basically for Mario Kart, and I got the 256 memory card for it. So yeah, that's my unboxing for the Nintendo Switch 2. Let's just get this stuff back in here. So close this up right here real fast. So we're going to just take this out the package real quick. So we got the Joy-Cons. I already played this at Best Buy. That's what basically changed my mind about getting it, because I wasn't going to get it right away. But after playing it at Best Buy, that's what changed my mind. So here we go. Take this out. I got to get me a screen protector and a case. There we go. Do I got this the correct way? Let me double check. Nope, I had it upside down. There we go. There we go. Yeah, there we go. So I'm gonna use it and I'll catch you guys later. That's it, and I'm out. Deuces. Whoa.